Hello, how you doing? Been asked this a trillion times, so doing it again for you. We're gonna just pan fry some fish. I'm using a sea bass. You can use pretty much any fish you like. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is a sea bass fillet. It's 500 grams, which is just over 1 pound. It's quite big. You can take a look at my arm in there. It's a beauty. I'm gonna cut that up into some lovely slices. So I've sliced that up. I mean, they're still quite hefty pieces. You can see like in my hand like that. Let's get moving. So in that bowl, I've got 5 tablespoons of plain white wheat flour. You can use a different flour if you want, cornstarch, potato starch, up to you. We're gonna season it. Now I'm gonna season it with a teaspoon of salt and pepper and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon each, chili flakes, sweet paprika and thyme. Now that's what I'm using, but use whatever you want. You can take it in any direction you like. We're just gonna mix that around and give that a little season up. Beautiful. So simply, we're gonna take our fish and we're gonna pat the seasoning on there and set it aside, like so. Okay, so in that pan, I've got about 1 centimeter of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. Change that if you want. We're going to heat that up. So I've got this on medium heat. Now we want this oil hot, but we don't want it crazy hot. So we're going to take our fish and we're going to drop it in. You can see it's not going berserk in there. This is still quite thick pieces of fish, so we don't want to burn the outside and have raw fish in the middle. So it's going to pick up steam a bit in a minute. Well, not steam, heat. And we're going to just be simply tossing it over every couple of minutes. It's going to take about 8 minutes, I reckon. Okay, so you can see it's nice and hot, but it's fairly gentle. It's not going crazy. And we've got ourselves some beautifully cooked fish. I'm going to take that out and put that onto some kitchen towel just to get any excess oil from it. And there you have it, really simple fried fish. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.